I would like to narrate a beautiful story. The title of the story is Five Friends. Once upon a time there were five friends. The first friend said, I am the best because I point and teach you. The second friend said, I am the best because I am the tallest one. The third friend said, no, I am the best because I wear a gold ring. The fourth friend said, no, I am the best because I help you to join your hands when we pray. So they were fighting. I am the best, I am the best. So the fifth friend said, stop, fighting. Do not fight with each other. Hey you, all tell me if I don't help you able to close and open your cells, can you eat your food without me? The fourth friend said, no, I think you are the best. So the fifth friend said, no, we all have worked together. We all are equal. So if we fight, we cannot do